Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. Here is your daily technical analysis of LME 3-month copper and aluminium. LME 3-month copper. An indecisive spinning top yesterday with the market closing right on the upper trend line, currently at 79.81, or the recent small breach descending triangle, currently 79.08 to 79.81. We nevertheless still have the opportunity for this week to be a weekly key reversal. Thus, if we close tonight either over 80.45 or under 79.38, then we'll be on. Anything in between and we'll have the lesser outside weak pattern. Right, 80.45, and we are just underneath it. Right now we are barely looking at a possible outside weak pattern. Overhead we have the Fibonacci congestion at 80.16, which had been interesting resistance in recent weeks, but only on a closing basis, and was so again yesterday. Overall, the market continues to move lower and away from the overhead lower bull channel line, currently 88.24 of the August 22 to August 23 move, and highlighted in gold on my daily chart, as well as the broken lower time, currently 83.10 of the September 2022 to May 23 bullish shift pitchfall, highlighted in green on my daily chart. Looking above, the next resistance is at 81.77, but better is actually at the declining short medium moving average, currently 82.01, and the January 2021 high 82.39. Meanwhile, below we have the October low at 78.70, which is synchronous with the May low at 78.67. Then a lesser Fibonacci line at 77.75. Before the January 2021 low at 77.07, and the 50% Fibonacci line of the March 20 to March 22 move at 76.06. Well, so far today, a move higher, utilising the breached upper trend line of the small descending triangle as a base and pushing up over the Fibonacci congestion 80.16, but really not by that much. LME 3-month aluminium. A really interesting combined key reversal down and bearish engulfing pattern yesterday as the market turned and headed lower under both the flatlining short medium moving average, currently 22.06, and the flatlining medium moving average, currently 22.07. Now, we still have left behind a possible horn bottom formed over the last 2 weeks. Plus, all this action during October has led to an interesting possibility. We are set up for a possible monthly key reversal for the month. So if we close on Tuesday the 31st of October, either over 23.50 or under 22.01, then we'd be on. Otherwise, anything in between would have the lesser outside month pattern. Right now, we are looking at an outside month pattern. But barely. No, we're not. We're actually looking at a monthly key reversal down. We've just dipped down below it. It's going to be down to the wire on Tuesday. The next support below is the August 2018 high at 21.78, followed by significant congestion at 21.56. That actually halted the declines of last week and earlier this week. Meanwhile, overhead, the next congestion is the late August and mid-September highs at 22.06 and the congestion at 22.67. Now, one final point. We still have further down the secondary, harder to reach target X3, down in the 2088 zone. This is for the March to May descending triangle. Now, the primary target here had already been achieved, and I'm thinking about retiring this potential target below. So far today, a small reactionary move back up, though capped by the moving averages. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final important bit.